He's crying! He's crying!
He's crying about the way he's gonna go. He's not even like sipping on milk. No, he's on. He's waving it. He just had a fucking tea. Like, oh, take it with me. Oh shit, get that. I'm not gonna touch it. Is that it? Grab this one. Sitting there, mate. It's alright there. Give her a bit like a movie set. You've got much to do. It's gone. It's gone? Yeah, well. Well, alright, no. Mate, that magged off you, didn't it? You alright? Yeah, fine. Tell him that. Stay fucking alive. What much should it do? Little tablespoon. Yeah. Mate, your legs lined up as well. I like the shot of the tips. Hey, I think we should enter in the competition. You got the chilli man. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little hate. You're going to be shit. Look at your win. Oh, mate, tears are coming now. Hey, up to the side. Should be a little thing. I think you haven't even touched any milk yet. Mate, there's got to be some massive lies. Yeah, that's unbelievable. I can feel it. It's hard. Come on, some mustard to wash it out.
Fucking how much did he have? Take a tablespoon. Full tablespoon. I'm not
gonna lie, Saint's not fucking right. Get that milk down here.
No, don't break.
His face has gone red.
Don't break it.
PRMA fucking gallon. You're fucked.
He's had a tablespoon of it, and he hasn't even had any milk yet. He's outdone me, has he? Bastard.
Stevie, do you feel alright now?
Fine, yeah. Fuck, I've been hitting the stomach with a shotgun, but there you go. No, don't break, don't break.
Don't shit gonna die, I'm not clean it.
Don't break for the milk. No, the man.
Yes!
Follow him.
I'm tingling. I'm fucking toilet in this. Mate, you just don't look well. Honestly, it's better out than in. Throw it up. Get out. I feel well.
Really horrible.
What possessed you to do it? Bragging rights, I don't know. Fucking hell.
No, I've done half a spoon of it, it's fucking horrible.
Alright, he's borderline dead.
Is he puffed up there, is he? No, not yet. That was a bit of a letdown. You need to get milk down your mate. Oh! Oh! 216!
Robbie's back.
Come on. Come on. Get him some water to drink, some hot water preferably. Yeah, fine. Oh, that looks like a small burger. Oh, fucking hell. Oh,
Hey!
Skin up. Lift your skin up.
That's fucking legend.
Mate, that's excellent. Is it really hot? Really hot?
It is, yeah, it's really fucking hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Mad Dog 359.
I think I've heard of that.
It's
American shit, isn't it?
supposed to be, what's the rating on about 6 million?
It's big, big deal. Big deal.
Yeah, just keep walking around, stand up straight, should be alright.
Very emotional.
Yeah. straight in there. In all fairness, mate, you didn't break. See if I can down and go.